Hi guys, here we are once again unboxing another Xiaomi product. So this is the new one that we bought, the Yeelight by Xiaomi. So this is a smart LED bulb 1 SE. So it means it is a multicolored smart light bulb by Yeelight Xiaomi. So a little history guys. So in our mini home here, so most of our smart lights are from Xiaomi. So later in this video guys, so I will compare this new smart light that we have compared to our other smart light that we place in our house. So this one I'm planning to place it in our balcony, so every night it is multicolored, so it will be cool to see at night. So that's what I will use for. So let's unbox this and we're ready to open it. Okay, so let's open it guys. So that's it. Alright, what's inside? Also guys, if you want to know more about our Xiaomi products that we unbox, our scooter, our phones, and on other Xiaomi products that we have in our video, so check the link below guys and check it out, all the unboxing of our Xiaomi product. Check it out. And also guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Like and subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is it guys, the unboxing of our new smart light. Oops. So inside the box is this, of course, the new LED colorful light that we have right here. And inside, also in the box, subscribe. And inside our box is also
like
the manual.
right below you.
It's the manual.
Okay. Oh, I like this light. Doesn't hurt mine. I like the feel. It's a little bit soft.
A little bit soft.
Yes. Wait, why does it shine like rainbow?
Yeah. So we'll try it out, baby boy.
Okay, I want to see if it's like rainbow.
That's it.
Because rainbow color is my favorite color.
Okay. So later, guys, like
Hey,
my
Papa,
baby boy.
Papa,
Mm.
Papa, can you pass all the lights to this one?
Yeah, we'll try it, and we'll make it smart light. Okay.
Okay, I hope this will work.
So right now, if we open our smart home app of the Xiaomi, so the Mi Home app, so you can check it out in the Google apps Play Store. I mean. So you can see here, guys. So right now I have 4 Xiaomi lights installed in this house, and this is the 5th one, this multicolor light. So if you're going open the first one, so I call this a basement one, then we have basement 2, basement 3, and the ceiling one, which is in our master's bedroom. So I have also here other Xiaomi products like the camera, the humidifier, and the scooter, of course. So that's it. So let's try to install this guys. So we will install it first here guys, so to save this in my phone. It will be seen in the Mi Home app guys. So let's try this and check. Start this, turn on, and next is to next is to add turn on. Location. Okay. Scanning. So there's it, guys. So you can see here there's Yeelight Smart LED Ball 1 SE. So just tap on it and open the Wi-Fi in our house. That means it will be connected in our router or Xiaomi router. I'm very proud of our Xiaomi router. It's very cool. Next. So it's setting up now, guys. So it is lighting up, as you can see. And the app, it is already loading it to the net and going, and we'll save it in my phone. So it's done. There you go. So we will where we'll put it in the balcony here. Balcony. And next. So we will call it balcony 1. There you go. Enter. Next, guys. So let's get started. So that is now how to load the smart light, guys. So that is very easy to install, as you can see in the video, guys. That's how we install the smart light. And next is we'll wait until this is finished loading. It will be saved in my Mi Home app. So right now the light, guys, is the same as the other lights surrounding. It's yellowish color. So you may say agree. So let's try to move up. Brightness. Oh. So to lower the brightness. There you go. That's the flow. So if you want to make it white, there you go, guys. It's already white. All about color, change color. Oh, there's red. Another one. Change temperature. Oh. Brightness. Change color to blue. I need to change to yellow. So this is a very cool LED, guys. So that's it. So that's how we control this colorful smart light by Yeelight of Xiaomi. So that's it. You're able to, so you already know how to install, how to use it via phone. Now after choosing it, so we're gonna compare this new light to our other Xiaomi smart lights here that we place in our house. Let's see how it works comparing to this one. Okay, so let's go. So we're going out in our house now, guys, to check the other smart lights that we place in our house. So this is the first one, guys. One is siya nasa gawas, and the other one, is placed here. Okay, so that's it. So to make it clear, guys, katong nakita nyo sa gawas na outside lights, yutang namo. So this is the other one we place in the middle of our parking area. So this is the standard Xiaomi smart light. It's around, if I'm not mistaken, it's around 2000 K the color temperature. So it means it's kind of like yellowish. So it has only one color. So what we can do is we can only adjust the brightness. So let's try controlling it using Google Assistant. So we'll not use the Mi Home. So what we'll use now is just to call Google and try to turn it on. So I named this light as basement 1. So let's call the light and turn it on. So okay Google, turn on basement 1. Oh yeah.
Okay, turning basement 1.
So as you can see, it's turning on. So let's try to increase the brightness. Okay Google, increase basement 1 brightness by 100%.
Okay, brightening basement 1 by 100%.
So there you go guys. It is already 100%. So that's how you control via OK Google Assistant. So that's it.
Hi, how can I help?
So the next one guys is this one. I'm not sure if you can call this smart light by the Xiaomi, but this light guys will really help us. This is a sensor light by Xiaomi. If you use your hand, so if it can sense the place is dark, then it can sense your temperature, so it will automatically turn on. So it really help us if you're going upstairs and downstairs in the middle of the night. So this will help us turn on. So this is the other one of the Xiaomi lights that we have in our house. Okay guys, so this is the last one that we're gonna compare to other Xiaomi smart lights that we have here in our house. So this one also is the expensive one, the little bit quite big ceiling light from Xiaomi. So let's try to turn it on using Google Assistant. Okay Google, turn on ceiling 1. There you go. So it can be controlled again like the other lights. It can be controlled by the Google Assistant. So this light compared to the previous one that you saw, this has 2 temperature, the 2000K and 6000K, so from yellowish to white one. So if we're gonna try to check this the Mi Home app. So let's go and check the ceiling one. So click here. So this is the ceiling one temperature guys. So right now it's around 32K. So if we're gonna lower the brightness, so it is quite, so this, they call this the moonlight. So if you're gonna sleep at night and want to feel that you're in the universe and you can want to see there's a moon around, so this is the setting that you want during nighttime. So if you're gonna increase to 6000 guys, so around 6000, so it will become color white. So lesser to 2000, so that's it. So it become yellowish. I think that's it guys for comparing all our smart lights in our house. Before we start, pagbutang sa balcony, kining the light. So it's already arrived. Ang butang nito ang tawag natin mini crystallized chandelier, I don't think so. So sa money siya ibutang nato, colorful Yeelight. So I bought this. This is good fit for the Xiaomi light, colorful Xiaomi light, because it's a crystallized design. So it will bounce back and forth. So you can see there's a crystal, and I think it's a rose gold design color. So this is it guys. You can see all crystal. So it will be a perfect fit for this Xiaomi light. So I'm excited to place it on our balcony. That's it. So this is the Market will be placed there. Okay, so see you there, guys.